Hello, gang. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be taking you through the process of making a penny loafers. My pattern has been drawn out already, and now what I'm doing is to mark my pattern. As we continue, just make sure you click on the subscription button and make sure that you follow everything I'm doing here, because everything is going to make sense and you're gonna love them. All right, guys. After tracing out your pattern, make sure that you trace every part of it very well. You definitely need to mark every part where I'm marking right now, so that it will be very visible for you when you're cutting out. It's very important. Now, that is the place I'm marking now is where we'll be weaving for our penny loafers. The design that is always at the front. Yes, that's where the weaving is going to take place. I'm going to take you through the process of how I'm going to weave it in this very video. So you need to watch this video till the very end, because the results will amaze you. All right. So guys, let's mark this. After we're done marking, the next thing we need to is to cut. So let's start our cutting. My cutting is just, I'm just going to be cutting a little bit outside the line, and just follow through with my cutting. And just, can you see? And when I get to this part, I'm gonna cut on the line, and make sure that your scissors or your cutter is very sharp. Make sure that they're very sharp. If you want to use a cutter, make sure that you have a very clean board where your leather is being placed, and so that you'll be able to have a good outcome. Because if you do not cut very well, it's gonna affect your shoe. So here is my cutting. So guys, let's cut together. Alright guys, welcome back. So once we're done cutting, the next thing we need to do is to draft the holes for our weaving of the penny loafers design. And so right now I'm going to be creating my punch, and what I'm using is punch one. You can use it. Punch one is a very tiny punch, and so it can create holes for you. Let me make sure that the holes are well positioned, so that you'll be able to have a clean work. It's important that they all aligned very well, and you'll be able to have a very good outcome. So guys, the punch is going to go around. It's going to go around to where I've marked. So in case you cannot see this very well, just know that I've marked it. You can go back to the video and check very well how the pattern looks like, so you'll be clear and understand perfectly well what I am doing here. So guys, after the punching, then we have next into this hole. But let's punch this together till the very end. Then we'll move to the next one. We're almost there, guys. So in case you have not subscribed and you have not liked this video, if you're learning one of the things, please click on the like button, and I'm very sure you're enjoying what you're watching. So guys, once we're done with this punching, then we'll prepare our weaving, and you just have to follow through. Make sure you're watching this video and watch it properly, where to see how I'm going to be weaving this particular penny loafers. It's very simple, and just follow all what I do there, and I'm very sure you're going to get it correctly. And in case you have any question in the comment, put the question in the comment section. I'll be responding to the comments. So right now, what I want to do is to show you how weaving, and as you can see, my weaving is just going into the holes that I already punched. The holes I already punched, just follow through with the holes. Just follow through the holes one after the other. It's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself at all when you're following the holes. And but just always make sure that you don't miss any hole. So you go from one level of the hole to the other. Okay, so this is the same thing I'm gonna go do throughout till when I get to the last point. The last point is where I'll be closing up my weaving. And once you understand this weaving, you will not have any issues. It's going to come out neat You don't need to tighten it very much, just make it firm. If you tighten it very much, you're gonna spoil the shape. So just tighten it a bit, let's make it be firm and not loose. That's what you just need. And this trick is very simple. You don't need any stress at all. So you can see the way I'm passing the needle. Well, now some people use orb, but I prefer to use needle because needle is very tiny and to go through the holes. You know, the orb will make your the holes get wider. That's the reason why I prefer using a needle. So you can just use an hand needle when using an needle, and just make sure you're careful with your hand needle, and so you won't have any injury on your hand. So, guys, as you're going through with me with this, remember that I run online trainings and also run physical training wherever you're in the world. You can subscribe for my online training in case you need any other trainings. You can reach out to me personally on my on the description. Just click on the description, and you're gonna get all the details that you need. Where you can reach out to me on my other social media handles. But yeah, I am not giving you all this for free, and you're getting all the details of how I uh, design this penny loafers. Now this part has other parts, so be ready to watch the remaining parts of the video. You can see that this is just a 10-minute video or less, but just make sure that you follow through. You can check out my other videos. I have so many videos that you can watch and you would understand. In case maybe you're just starting your shoemaking journey and you need a clean video to put you through, these videos that I have on my channel is something that you can. So I'm closing up. You can see the way I close this up. Yes, can you see the way I close it up? You can go back, rewind it, just go through the way I close it up. And once I close it up like that, I'm just gonna cut with my scissors, and see. Can you see the outcome? Now let's check it out together, guys. Can you see? So lovely. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the part 2 of this video.